Hey guys, do you like my new setup? We bought an apartment in Copenhagen. Actually, what the hell? We've been saving up for this for probably around 6 years now, and the fact that it finally happened is insane. The location and the price and the apartment is just like the dream. I do really feel like the universe was with us in this process, because it's been crazy and wild and weird, to be honest. We are in the apartment today because this is the first day of the little renovation series of videos I'm gonna make. If you hear any noise in the background, it is Zach, who is already on the grind. I thought I would give you guys a little empty apartment tour, kind of like a pre-renovation thing, so that we can all have a little look at the before and after results, because that's always so satisfying. Obviously, we bought this apartment, as you can maybe tell, for it to be renovated, because we want to put our own twist to it and like really make it ours, because a bunch of apartments that are for sale are already like renovated and done. I just feel like using so much money on something that is already new but not your style is kind of a shame. So yeah, luckily we found this one that has not been touched since the 70s where it was built. Yeah, everything is pretty old and a little bit nasty. I don't mind, because we see the potential and this is gonna be so satisfying, and hopefully it'll be so good. I can't wait. I'm so excited for this process. Let me give you guys a little tour and also kind of show you ideas of what's gonna happen. So we're standing in the entrance. This is the door that we'll use to get into the apartment. Yeah, this little room space situation is kind of weird in our opinion. So we're gonna tear down this wall to make it one hell of a long, skinny entrance situation. Yeah, so this part is gonna go down and we're gonna remove these. I don't know what they're called. So this door is not gonna be here. As I said, just gonna have a long entrance hallway thing. We're kind of in a dilemma about what's gonna happen here, because it's so skinny that we can't really have a closet for jackets and shoes and stuff. So we might at some point use a little bit of the bedroom to make a built-in closet situation, but I think we're gonna put in the bed and everything to see how it feels. But let's go into the bedroom. This is the bedroom. Small, but a decent size, I would say. We obviously have our bed. We are dreaming of another bed frame, because the one that we have now is huge, and this size of this room is not that big, and I feel like it's gonna be a bit too crowded for that one. So we're gonna get rid of that one and get a new one. And then we bought the prettiest closet ever secondhand. Gonna put in some pictures so you can see the vibe of it. So that's gonna be amazing, and hopefully enough space for all our clothes. Then we have this very ugly window, but we're just gonna get beautiful white flowy curtains here. That's gonna hide that situation. This wall over here might be a built-in closet, we don't know, but it might also just be like for a mirror and some knickknacks and stuff. And while we are here, I can just explain what we're gonna do to the walls. So if you come closer, the walls now is kind of like, do you know what this is called? Textured, yeah. It's like it's something you did in the 70s, 60s, I don't know. Very bad decision of those people who did that, because it is not our style. So yeah, we're basically gonna tear down the white walls, or like this layer on the walls, and then paint them white again. You'll see. Follow along. Then we have a very blue bathroom, and because of money, we're not gonna renovate the bathroom for now. Hopefully at some point, because as I said, this apartment has not been touched since the 70s, so It's very 70s vibes in here. But yeah, I think it's cute. It's not something that I would necessarily buy and choose myself, but it's cute, and I feel like giving a little cute retouch of it is gonna make it so much better. Like, we could maybe put in some wood furniture and, like, I don't know, make it just a little bit warmer and cozy in here. I feel like, yeah, we can definitely make it much nicer and still keep the blue tiles. But yeah, at some point we're gonna renovate this room as well. Then we have the only closet space in this hallway. Hopefully when we renovate the bathroom, we'll have space for washing and drying in there, but that's not for now. So this closet will go, it's like a cleaning closet, I guess. But let's go to the main area. This room is basically where we will be spending 90% of our time, I feel like. This is the living room, kitchen, and dining room all in one. So yeah, we're obviously gonna fix the walls in here. We hired a man to fix the floors because they look not so good. They're gonna be much lighter and a totally different color, which is gonna be so nice and lighten up the room so much. Kitchen. We already ordered a kitchen, but I can put in the vibes of the kitchen that we are getting. Because currently we have a bit of a weird kitchen situation in this apartment. And we're gonna tear it down today. And we will have to live without a kitchen for like a few weeks, which is what it is. We'll have the fridge and then we'll microwave a bunch of food, I guess. The kitchen needs a little fixer-upper. Other than that, so we have a little balcony situation. It is massive compared to the one that we have now. Like, it's so big, and I cannot wait to make it all cozy and cute and like actually be out here. Hopefully. I'm not an outdoors girl, but this is gonna be cute. That was the little before tour of this cutie apartment. Yeah, I hope you guys kind of like see the vision of it. I think we're gonna tap into the 70s, kind of like a mid-century modern vibe for the furnishing and just the apartment in general. I'm so excited and I cannot wait for this to be like our home. We've been renting ever since we moved out. Jesus, that's obviously like a normal thing to do, and it's such a privilege at the age of 25 to be able to buy an apartment. So yeah, I am so grateful that I know how to save up money. Yeah, we're gonna crack on the next few days. We have, today it's Thursday, then we have Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and Monday, because it's, I always forget the word of it, but it's Easter. So this was perfect that we have a few days to fix everything in this apartment. Yay!